As we continue to fight multiple sclerosis, we have with us a few MS warriors who would like to share their experiences with multiple sclerosis and how they came out as winners. Let's now listen to them.
Hello everyone. I'm Akshaya, a patient of relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis for past 10 plus years. Talking about MS, the word may sound little complicated, but my life with MS is really not so. There is really nothing to be scared of. One good thing about MS is that you can easily camouflage with a healthy population, and it really never impacts the everyday walk of life. According to me, awareness about the flare ups and early detection and treatment of the symptoms and self care medications provided by the doctor. With all these, multiple sclerosis is something that can be handled and managed. From my personal experience, I really never felt like a patient who needed constant care and attention. There has been many days I really forgot I had multiple sclerosis. With the MS, I was able to score district first in my 12th board, and I'm having a successful work career. And I'm away from my home for past 8 plus years. So, with MS, yeah, it's possible to have a normal way of life, and all it takes is a healthy food habits, regular exercise, meditation to be stress free. Nothing is impossible with MS if you have a strong willpower and a positive mind. I wish my fellow MS warriors a healthy, fruitful, happy life. Thank you for providing me this opportunity.
We have all listened to Miss Akshaya, which has given us an insight to the disorder. Let us hear from our next MS warrior about her experience with multiple sclerosis.
Hello, good morning everybody. This is DN Rajkumari, working presently as Assistant Commissioner of Central Excise, Service Tax, Customs, presently GST, as Assistant Commissioner of the department. I was diagnosed with MS in the year 1989, and from then it's been a long journey, and till 10 years, that is 2009, I was having progressive MS and was treated with steroids, namely methylprednisolone, Visolon tablets, and various other drugs. But fortunately or unfortunately, the progressive MS was stable after that, but the damage was already done to my system, and it has resulted in various disabilities. Like, I have been paralyzed on my left side, totally unable to move my whole system, but it has further led to deterioration of all the organs. Namely, I had to undergo treatment for breast cancer twice, and not only that, I had kidney stones due to chemotherapy and radiation. After that, I was diagnosed with muscular weakness of the heart, and so right now I'm battling that out, and I'm also highly diabetic and hypertensive due to the drugs induced for MS. Now I'm managing with the present ailments with the sheer amount of willpower that I have with me. I have no physical or moral support except my job, which has helped me to get through this crisis with all the medical facilities available to handle MS. My main request to every single person is to accept your ailment and to get in terms with it so that it will not affect your daily life. With all the odds, I'm still managing to have a decent and a day-to-day normal life, even though I'm wheelchair bound, and I find it very difficult to access every place that I visit, either being office or market or anything, because I don't have any attendant, and neither do I have any moral support from my family members. But of course, with the grace of God and with the available medications, I have continued to do my best, and I will continue to do so. I want each one of you to have a perfect normal life without any complaints. I request each one of you to keep smiling and to have a great time of your life ahead. All the best.
That was indeed an empowering experience shared by Ms. Rajkumari. Next, we have Ms. Kavita with her experiences.
Respected Director of NIMHANS, respected doctors, and dear friends, I'm Kavita Jairam. I have been diagnosed with multiple sclerosis since the year 2005, and currently I walk with the help of a walker, and I'm at the SPMS stage of this condition. When I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis in the year 2005, I consulted my family doctor, who was a general physician, and took my MRI reports along with me. And over the discussion, he told me that one day I would be completely bedridden, and that is how the condition would progress. This was very harsh for me. I just could not digest this, and I ran away from his clinic, thinking and knowing that I can definitely defy this condition, and if I have a strong mind, I can do anything in this with this, and believe that I will not be affected with multiple sclerosis. This is a wonderful thought, because I was a very healthy individual, and I had a very good daily regimen of morning walk starting at 5 a.m. in the morning, and I would do yoga and also a bit of gymming. But multiple sclerosis did catch up with me inevitably. I kept my composure completely during the pandemic time. I had no other alternative. I just, took a deep dive into my work and completely studied my subject, and then now I have become an independent human resource freelance recruiter. I'm my own happy person. My goals are many. Miles to go before I sleep. One step at a time. I'm so in awe of Tyagaraja's Kriti, which says, Yendaro Mahanubhavalu, Andariki Na Vandanamulu. I reiterate my thanks to all. Namaste.
Now, let us listen to a beautiful song by Dr. Bevin showing his experiences with multiple sclerosis. I hope that this song brings a smile on your face.
Mr. Bevin, you've been diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. You're a musician, right?
Yes.
Since it's affected your hand, I don't think you'll be able to play music hereafter. I'm so sorry.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still mess up, but I start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground. I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody loves without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, then I start again. I won't leave, wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, then I start again. I won't leave, I wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. Try everything, love, baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up, don't need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, we did our best. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, then I'll start again. I won't leave, wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, then I'll start again. I won't leave, wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. I'll keep on making those new mistakes. I'll keep on making them every day. Those new mistakes. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything.
I thank everyone for patiently listening out to our MS Warriors, hoping that these experiences have helped you to know more about multiple sclerosis and realize that hope is around the corner.